Welcome back, everyone. Today is the first big day, probably the day, with regards to the Catfish Camaro Project. This is the day, I hope, I can get us started. Let's get to it. All right, so here's what I got to do this job today. I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to get right to it. And I got my drill-mounted nibbler. Should make this cut pretty easy. Safety glasses, the fuel pump, the drill, and a drink. And that's really about it. Hopefully I've gone down the research rabbit hole enough to do this with a minimum of fuss. Here it is. Here's where everybody cuts. So I've drawn out my hole here. I got square corners in my drawing, but I'm going to round them off using the nibbler. This is, I'm going 6¼ inches from this point up here. That'll should bring my cut in front of the evap line. And I don't anticipate cutting into anything using the nibbler. I did have to go ahead and scrape off some of this rubberized sealant they use here. It was like all over the edge of this. Nibbler would have been too thick for the nibbler to cut. So, I mean, I've researched this enough. But as with anything that I do, please, please, please do not take this as a tutorial. I'm sharing the experience. Hopefully you'll learn something. Hopefully I'll learn something from you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. And you're like, why the hell are you doing that, JR? Why? Why? Well, I mean, it's what I know. Ain't gonna happen if I don't get started. I'm gonna drive the step bit probably in here in this corner, because this is where there's the least amount of stuff I can damage. Cue the montage music. Here's part of the cut that gets everybody a little fit. This little notch here, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, hell yeah! Damn, that was easy. And there it is. Damn. This might not be a big deal to a lot of you out there, but I'm pretty damn proud of myself. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Remember when I said the drilling in where I was with the step bit wasn't anything to break there? Well, that wasn't exactly true. I nicked the fuel tank. What I did right there, it's definitely dug into it, but it does not feel like a hole. So the battery isn't even in the car, so electricity's not a concern here. Sharp point there. I need more power. Where's my sledge? This is ready to come out. And then I was curious how much gas is actually in this, because there's definitely some. some of this drain out. Well, that explains why I was having electrical problems, or thought I was having electrical problems. The damn float arm broke off. That is not good. And this is all rusted, damn it. I'm gonna have to drain all this gas. Damn it. Well, that is unanticipated, I don't mind saying. It's always something. So, I gotta find something to cover this hole. Go buy a siphon. Another little gas tank to drain it all into. And try to clean this thing out. Damn. Alright then. It continues.